Barney. They're pretending the parachute is a blanket.
You're right, BJ. Oh, I think Carlos is going to tell a story.
This is a story of a boy who went to bed with his favorite pillow and his favorite teddy bear. But he couldn't fall asleep, so he called to his mother.
Mom, I can't sleep. Could you bring me a glass of water, please?
Here's your glass of water. Now you can go to sleep.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, son.
But even with a favorite pillow and his favorite teddy and a glass of water, the boy still couldn't fall asleep.
Mom, I still can't fall asleep.
So the boy's mother knew what to do.
When I was a little girl, I used to pretend sheep were jumping over my bed. I'd count the sheep, and before I could say Little Bo Peep, I'd fall fast asleep.
So the boy's mother sang a lullaby to him.
Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack fast asleep.
Will you waken him?
No, not I, for if I do, he's sure to cry.
And so after counting lots of sheep, the little boy fell fast asleep. The end.
Great job,
Terrific.
I like your story, Carlos. The part about counting sheep was funny.
Can I wake up now? Because I like to know where those sheep came from.
So do I. Oh, look. They're all over there. Oh, maybe they're Little Bo Peep's lost sheep.
Yeah.
I think they're my sheep.